Here we are running parts down a conveyor imitating a QC point in the line. The parts are moved toward the inspection zone at a faster speed, sent through the zone at a slower speed, and once checked for critical features, sent off down the line at a faster speed. In this inspection zone, parts can be easily rejected and removed, or accepted and moved further down in production. Inspection and testing are essential steps in most manufacturing operations to maintain product quality and ensure safety standards are met. Whether your team is verifying functionality, labeling, drying, or measuring attributes like weight, dimensions, or shape, Mini-Mover Conveyors has a range of options tailored for inspection tasks. With customizable features including multiple pre-programmed speeds, our PLC-friendly controllers can help automate, boost efficiency, and contribute to a safer work environment.